Da 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 da. Oh, what a beautiful day in the village. Wait, where's everybody anyway? Haven't seen them all morning. Oh! What's the matter with you, you crazy dragon? Where everybody else is? Hello? Dad? Gobber? Oh, hey, Hiccup. Wait. Who's that? Snotlout? Why are you only the person here? Because I am the one who told everybody that the dragons ran away and I hit all of them. What? Even Toothless? Who's Toothless? You don't know who Toothless is? Nope. Well, that is a shame. I guess I'll just have to ride another dragon until he comes back. Yeah, I made him I put on the tail that you made him since Snuggle Talk. What? And you made him fly away? You scared him out of here? Mm-hmm. Bad. Owie. Now then, I'll proceed my day. Wait. What was I doing again? Oh yeah. I was gonna go see another dragon, yeah. 5 hours later, walking and walking to find the woods. Hello? Hello? What was that? Whoa. What in the world was that? Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna hide somewhere and think. And here, good word. Good place to hide. Now, I'm gonna think about where all the dragons went. And if I don't find where they went, and the people, I'm gonna be in big trouble. Yeah, you sure will, Hiccup. Go away, stop out. Okay, okay. How did I even get here? Does anybody know? What in the world? What's that noise? Oh. Any little buddy? What was that? Did I just see something run? I see a tail.